Ready to unlock seamless online payments for your business without spending a dime upfront? Let's dive into creating a free Stripe account. First, head over to Stripe.com. You can simply type it into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the home page, look for the prominent Start Now or Sign In button, usually located in the upper right corner or in the center of the page. Click on it to begin the account creation process. You'll now be directed to the registration page. Start by entering a valid email address. This email will be used for all communications regarding your Stripe account, so make sure it's one you actively use and have access to. Next, fill in your full name. It's important to use your legal name or your business name as it will be used for verification purposes later on. Then, create a strong and secure password. I recommend using a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you have filled out the required fields, click the Create Account button. Stripe might ask you to verify your email address. At this point, simply follow the instructions sent to your email to confirm your account. Congratulations, you are now inside your Stripe dashboard. To fully activate your account and start accepting payments, you'll need to provide additional business information such as your business type, address, and bank account details. Stripe will guide you through this process step by step. Look for the Activate Your Account prompt, usually located at the top of the dashboard. Clicking on it will walk you through all the necessary steps to get your account fully operational. Take some time to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its features. You'll find sections for managing payments, customers, subscriptions, and much more. And that's it. You've successfully created your free Stripe account.